Why the heck does it look like I'm at a mob's house about to get whacked by all this debris falling from the roof? We're doing a roof replacement with no other than our friends Catch-All. The Catch-All is doing a thing behind me. I'm standing on tarps on the driveway. No, I'm not gonna get whacked like this roof got whacked with all the hail. Speaking of hail, you know what we're doing? We are installing our good friends Atlas, the Atlas Pinnacle Impact Shingle, and that is due to the fact that this homeowner experienced a hailstorm that annihilated their roof. This homeowner also experiences high winds, so they wanted a solution to their problems that happen year after year after year every time storms roll through. What we did today, give them a lifetime warranty with an Atlas system. They're gonna have a 130 mile-an-hour plus wind rating. They're gonna have a class 4 impact resistant shingle. They're gonna have 3M Scotch Guard protection on these shingles. No more worrying about fading or any kind of black streaks. And you can see the crew, they exposed the roof all the way down to the plywood so we can make sure nothing is rotten. If anything is rotten, we're gonna cut it out, layering it up piece by piece. You can see that Summit 60 compressors going. We got guys hammering away. Guys, it is mayhem out here, and you can see it gets messy. You're gonna wanna hire a contractor that knows what they're doing, using the best of the best, and dealing with the best of the best when it comes to the homeowners, our customers. Guys, if you want some help with your roofing problems, we can help you too, just like we're helping out this loyal customer behind me. Give me a call today. Let's get you on that schedule, making your roofing problems a thing of the past.